Imagine this, it's 2009. The global economy is in ruins. Banks have collapsed, millions have lost their jobs, and trust in the financial system has vanished overnight. Out of this chaos, a mysterious figure, or maybe a group, emerges from the shadows of the internet. They call themselves Satoshi Nakamoto, and they release something no one had ever seen before: Bitcoin, a currency with no banks, no borders, no governments, just code mathematics that promises one simple thing: freedom. They called it digital gold, a new kind of money that no one could print, control, or destroy, limited to just 21 million coins. Transparent, borderless, decentralized. At first, people laughed. How can something that doesn't even exist be worth anything? They said. But then the price began to rise. $1, 10, 100, 1,000. And suddenly, the world started paying attention. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin has become more than just a currency. It's a movement. To some, it's the future of finance, a weapon against inflation, corruption, and broken economies. To others, it's nothing but a digital illusion, an unstable, speculative bubble waiting to burst. The truth? Bitcoin is both a dream and a warning. A reminder that money itself is only as real as our belief in it. After all, what gives a dollar its value? A promise? A law? A system? Bitcoin removes all of that and leaves only trust in technology. But maybe that's what makes it powerful. In a world where banks can collapse, where governments can fail, and where inflation eats away at your savings, Bitcoin offers something different. A chance, however risky, to take back control. So is Bitcoin really the new gold? Or is it just another illusion? This time, dressed in digital code, maybe it doesn't matter. Because, like every great myth, Bitcoin's power doesn't come from what it is, but from what people believe it can be.